Hello, Ghassan. How are you? Such a pleasure to be with you today. Such a pleasure to see you and to have this opportunity to chat. I'm really excited about your participation at this year's Reendo meeting, which I'm sure is going to be a fantastic one because you have so much knowledge to share, so much cases to get the participants into when it comes to retreatment. It's definitely going to be a treat. But please let us know more about what you're actually going to talk about.
Hi, Bogdan. First, well, I'm very happy I am here, and thank you very much for having me at your event. I'm very, very excited. Can't wait. So I'm going to talk about retreatments that are done with the reciprocal glue instrument. I will show simple cases of retreatments. I will show even more complicated cases. For example, the removal of a plastic carrier, like something like thermofilm, or how to use reciprocal glue in order to manage a canal with a silver point, or to use it also in order to bypass a ledge or a fractured instrument, which are situations we frequently encounter in a retreatment procedure. And hopefully by then, the new reciprocal glue instrument, a smaller one, actually it is a series of instruments, smaller instruments with a smaller taper will be launched, and then hopefully I'll be able to talk about their use also in retreatments, especially as far as an increased apical enlargement is concerned. So I'm very excited about that because we can use those instruments, to enlarge the canal more apically while being very safe with respect to dentine removal. So I'm very excited to talk about these things. Reciproc has been shown to be very, very efficient in retreatments, and hopefully I'll be able to share my experience and knowledge with everyone.
Definitely. And I don't know if you know this, since you've already been to Romania, I'm sure maybe you've been aware of this, but reciproc here is heavily used. So people are really enjoying the instruments. One of the issues that has been brought up was the bigger taper. So everybody, since you already announced it right now that you're going to have a small taper, I'm sure everybody will be more than interested in the lecture now because having a reciproc with a smaller taper is just mind-blowing. It's going to be probably a game changer. So you're really looking forward to it.
Yes, a lot, honestly. I like to talk about reciprocation. I like to talk about reciprocal glue, and I would love to be able to talk about the smaller tapered and smaller size instruments of reciproc. So
let's hope they'll be launched by
then. Yeah, whether they are launched or not, I will most likely be able to speak about them.
That's fantastic.
Because launch should be very close. So
perfect. That's really fantastic. So thank you very much, Ghassan. We're really looking forward to having you here, and I'm sure everybody else is as excited as I am.
I am again very excited about being there, and as you said, I know that in Romania dentists love reciproc, and it will be good to be there. So I'll see you then.
Thank you very much. See you then. Have a great day.
Bye. You too. Bye.